In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily solve puzzles on chess.com. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and the first step, open up a web browser. Go to chess.com and then make sure you are signed into your profile. After that, from the main page of the website, just click right here where it says Solve Puzzle, and you will be immediately taken to the screen that looks like that, and that's where we can try to solve that puzzle. We can move any piece in that way, and it will immediately show us if the move was correct or incorrect. To start from the beginning, click right here at Retry Puzzle. Let's try to do it in that way. If your move was correct, your opponent will immediately make another move. So in that way, we can solve puzzles on chess.com. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.